Hi, I'm Frank John Burkhardt Jr. I'm the owner of Burkhardt Nurseries in Pasadena, California, and I'm here to give you tips on growing peppers indoors. And it's very important to either have grow lights or as much light by the kitchen window or just a good sunny spot. Now, when you're growing peppers inside, like the little shorter habaneros, they're a little bit more ornamental. You've got the little wax ones. And those guys, they stay more compact. They don't take as much room as these larger guys. I'll put a little piece of broken pottery in. Then I'll just go ahead and take a good organic potting soil made out of usually leaf mold, peat moss, redwood compost, probably some sponge rock, which is also called perlite. And so then I've got these guys in here, and it's very, very important to stage them so that you have the shorter ones in the front, the little bit larger ones midway, the tallest in the back. And so now I've got a nice little collection of pepper plants. With using the peppers, they're very ornamental when they bring their peppers out. So for the holiday seasons, you've got all this like little ornamental colors, hot, warm, kind of reminds you of spring and summer. And also very, very important is when you're planting your peppers up, make sure that all the crowns, the soil level of the actual plant itself is actually a little bit higher than your soil level so you don't rot them. Because inside, plants don't dry out quite as fast. And it's extremely important when you're watering them, stick your finger in, make sure it's dry, and if it feels dry, it's time to water. Another thing to remember is always have some sort of saucer underneath so you do not ruin your tables, your antique tables, your kitchen counters. You do not want to stain. Also, very important is make sure, examine them maybe once a week, make sure they don't get mealybug because you will get some pests. I'm Frank Burkhardt, showing you tips on growing peppers inside.